Unboxing of Google Pixel 11. What's inside the box? Did you know the Google Pixel 11 box is much smaller than you might expect? Hello everyone! Today we're unboxing the Google Pixel 11, featuring 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. Let's open the box and see what's included. First, we have the Google Pixel 11 itself. The Google Pixel 11 comes in 4 different colors, and we have the Obsidian Black variant here. Honestly, it looks fantastic in the hand and gives the phone a sleek, premium look. Let's put the phone aside for a moment and check what else is inside the box. Here, we get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. We also have the Quick Start Guide and other documentation. And finally, there's a SIM tool, depending on your region and carrier configuration. That's everything included in the box. And of course, the camera setup on the back is one of the biggest highlights of any Pixel smartphone. I'll be testing the cameras in detail in a separate video, so make sure you're subscribed for that. Now, let's power on the Google Pixel 11 for the very first time. And there we go! The phone is now powered on, and the first impressions are definitely impressive. The Obsidian Black color looks fantastic, the software experience feels clean. What do you think Google should include in the box with the Pixel 11? Let us know in the comments below.